Wagh Nakh. Am I pronouncing it correctly? People from Maharashtra may correct me. Nahi? Nakh. Okay. Wagh Nakh. Wagh is a Marathi term for बाघ. हिंदी में जो बाघ होता है ना, टाइगर, और नाक is for नाखून. So tiger claw. This Wagh Nakh, this device that you see here is known as Wagh Nakh. Abhi news mein kya tha? It is said that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj used this Wagh Nakh to kill Afzal Khan. And the device that he used was in a British museum. It has been brought back. You will see the iconic Wagh Nakh or tiger claw used by Maratha warrior king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was brought to India from London on July 17, 2024. And then there's a controversy associated with it. Controversy kya hai? Ye genuine wala hai ya nahi hai. So let us understand. It will take us 5 minutes to look at all these things. Let us understand the entire thing. So first of all, what is Wagh Nakh? It's a weapon shaped like tiger claw and is believed to have been wielded by the renowned Maratha warrior king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and he may have used it during the battle of Pratapgad while killing Afzal Khan, the Bijapur Sultanate. Okay, ये तो historical वाला aspect है where it was used, why it is so popular. You may have seen various images where एक लंबा चौड़ा Afzal Khan and Shivaji Maharaj is using this Wagh Nakh to kill that person. Okay, now this was in a British museum. It was in Victoria and Albert Museum in London, and it has been under an MOU brought to India for 3 years. Why has it been brought to India for 3 years? Because in 2024, जब Shivaji Maharaj throne पे गए थे, उसके 350 years have been completed. To celebrate those 350 years, we have brought this thing back. Now, the funny thing is, ये अपना है. This is something which belongs to our history, and we have to borrow it from a museum in London. Look at the hypocrisy. उनको शर्म आनी चाहिए ना कि ये इंडिया का ही cultural asset है. They should just give it back. We had to borrow it for 3 months. So, abhi we'll not go into that debate, but we'll go into some other debate. So, the Culture Affairs Minister in the Assembly said that it was used by Maratha Empire founder. This Wagh Nakh which has been brought has been used by Maratha Empire founder. Maratha Empire के founder Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj हैं. उन्होंने ये use किया था. But there are historians, जैसे Maharashtra historian है एक Indrajit Sawant. He claims that that device is already there in Satara, and it is just a replica. And he gives various arguments for it. Why does he say that the original device is already here? He says, how did this device reach London? It was given to the museum in London by great-great-grandson of James Grant Duff. James Grant Duff was a British official who was in Satara in this period, 1818 to 1825. He was the British resident officer in Satara. Satara is the capital of Maratha Empire, जो बचा था after British took control. And from there, he may have taken it. And then it was with his family for a long period. And his great-great-grandson gave this device to the British Museum in 1970. That's how the museum claims that it belonged to whom? It belonged to Shivaji Maharaj. But now what does this historian say? This historian says certain things. He says there is no historical record detailing the acquisition of the Wagh Nakh by Duff. Duff is acquiring it from the empire or from the kingdom. It is not mentioned anywhere. Moreover, more important argument that he gives is this. Till 1943, we have regular evidence from Satara showing ki both documented evidence as well as pictographic evidence that it was there in Satara only. So he was in Satara 100 years back in 1818 to 1825. And if the original one was in Satara, till 1943. It means it must be there in Satara only rather than with this person. This person just had a replica. This is a common device which everyone could have made. And he may have just got a replica made or anything else, and it is not the original device. In fact, this historian says that the original weapon is in possession of the Satara Chhatrapati family as a national heirloom and legacy of the house and race. It already exists there, and what government is brought from the museum there is just a ये controversy है, because of which a few articles in Hindu and Indian Express related to this topic was there. Prelims में हमारा क्या आ सकता है कि Wagh Nakh, what does it refer to? Remember, Wagh is a term for Wagh, Nakh, Nakhun, claw. Usse, this device has that kind of shape, that kind of structure. You may be asked this question. You may be asked because the battle of Pratapgad and the Shivaji killing Afzal Khan is something that is being mentioned again and again. You may be asked कि भाई ये कब हुआ था ये battle? Or this Wagh Nakh has been brought here to commemorate 350th anniversary of Shivaji ascending to the throne. So when did he ascend the throne? 1674. That's why in 2024, what do we have? 350th year of his anniversary of his ascending the throne. These are certain things that may get asked in the examination. ये controversy पे prelims में सवाल पूछना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, but still we should know about this because थोड़ा अभी न्यूज में रहा.